Welcome to the Cups of Consciousness show. I am Aleya, your host. I'm a doctor of Oriental Medicine, a sound healer, the author and founder of the 7 Cups of Consciousness. I have produced 9 sound healing albums and have recorded over 2,000 meditations online. I am an energy practitioner and help people shift their consciousness using their energetic fields. And this show is all about using your energetic fields to shift your consciousness, as well as exploring energetic concepts that help you create a more empowered and connected life. This episode is an energetic session that explores concepts, energetic practices, and protocols that are similar to a prayer, which help you transform particular aspects of your life. When you listen, recognize that some part of you is using your energetic fields to shift your vibration, which in turn shifts your consciousness, your behaviors, your beliefs, how you react and respond. You might even go into an altered state, so use caution if you're driving or doing something that requires a focused mind. With all of this work that I present, remember that it is your energy shifting you in your own unique way. That way you stay in control and empower with your process. So take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line of light, and explore your inner terrain in a safe and supported space. Let's dive in. I have talked a lot about fragments and returning fragments that you might be holding that belong to other people when in this incarnation, previous incarnations, you might have attacked them. And anytime we attack or harm somebody, we actually take a little fragment of their energy. So this layer is slightly different because it's all about you retrieving fragments that other people are holding from previous incarnations or even this incarnation when they have harmed you. So anytime you, the soul, your body, or your teams get harmed, a little fragment can get taken. And so then when we encounter this person who attacked us in a previous incarnation, we might process the emotion of the anger, the upset, the fear out of timing. And so you might say to yourself, why is it that every time I get around that person, my entire central nervous system gets jacked? I go into an adrenal spike, my cortisol levels rise. I go into a fight or flight, maybe a freeze, maybe an anger, maybe I'm snappy, maybe I'm mean. Maybe I go into incredible fear and a stress response. If that happens, there is a high likelihood that they have a fragment of you, your body, your teams, and you are being triggered by that moment in the past when they did attack you and they took a fragment of your energy, which has to do also with your power. So we're going to bring in an energetic protocol to assist you in retrieving fragments off of everyone that ever attacked you. And remember that as you work with your energetic fields, they slowly get stronger. You retrieve more, you retrieve more. And so this could be a protocol that you do on every full moon of retrieving the fragments of those that attacked you at some point in time in some dimension where you have that stress response. Also, too, if somebody has a fragment of yours, there's 2 other layers where you might just get triggered around them and super angry at them and you want to attack them. Okay, so that's an indicator that they have a fragment. And or you want to rip their clothes off and have sex with them forever, or not forever, but like a lot. And that is another indicator that you are wanting to possibly retrieve a fragment. So before we attack or rip clothes off and have mad passionate sex, retrieve fragments first. Deep breath in. Pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. Inviting your higher self and your body, Deva's higher self and teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference all of the people that have triggered you in this incarnation, that you were afraid of, or angry with, or have wanted to attack. Invite your higher self, body, Deva's higher self and teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to retrieve, gently, gracefully retrieve all of the fragments for you, soul rider. Body, retrieve all of your fragments off of the soul rider, off of the body, Deva, Teams, retrieve all of your fragments off of the team, off the soul, off the body, Deva. Soul Rider, retrieve all fragments off the soul, off the body, off the teams, because the teams might have attacked you, Soul Rider. Body, their team might have attacked, their Soul Rider might have attacked. Retrieve fragments appropriately. Using your higher self, your body, Diva's higher self, your teams, using your energetic fields to retrieve all of these fragments off of all of these people. Retrieve those fragments, cleaning them, recalibrating them, healing them, bringing them back into your own divine cosmic loop for you, Soul Rider, for your body and your teams appropriately. Your body brings all of its fragments back in a whole and healed state, back into its own divine cosmic loop. You, Soul Rider, retrieve all of your fragments in a whole and healed state, cleaning it, recalibrating it, reweaving it into your own divine cosmic loop. Teams retrieve all of those fragments off of everyone and everything, retrieving those fragments, sending appropriate energetic information, retrieving responsibilities appropriately as well. Sometimes if somebody attacks us, we gave them responsibility for us moving into greater degrees of empowerment. Retrieve responsibility that you might have ever given your attacker. You get to take responsibility for moving into greater degrees of empowerment or integrity or kindness or graciousness or awareness or safety or support. Retrieve responsibilities as you retrieve those fragments, cleaning those fragments, recalibrating them, reweaving them in your individual divine cosmic loop. Relaxing your body and just being a gentle mantra, retrieving fragments, cleaning them, recalibrating, reweaving them, activating the desired vibration, the desired harmonic vibration in divine cosmic loop. Anytime we get attacked and a fragment is taken, it is an opportunity to activate a more empowered harmonic vibration in the individual divine cosmic loop. You are bringing that fragment back and then activating that more harmonic vibration in your individual divine cosmic loop for you, Soul Rider, for your body, for your teams, retrieving those fragments, retrieving that responsibility. Whatever the journey was, greater empowerment, greater integrity, greater kindness, greater awareness, greater safety, greater support, retrieving the responsibility. And then taking a deep breath in, balance and stabilize. And this process of retrieving fragments moves you into greater degrees of empowerment. And then you might feel less or no desire to attack the person that triggered you. You might also feel no fear, no fight or flight response when you think about that person. So if you still have the desire to attack, retrieve responsibility. If you still have the fight or flight response, just in your mind's awareness, emotional awareness, retrieve the fragment. And if that doesn't resolve it, explore the idea that you are being empathically impacted by their fragment that's in you. So then you invite your higher self, body, Diva's higher self, and teams to do the same process, but just in reverse, of returning all fragments of this person that might always want to attack you. Return responsibility, return the fragment back to them in a whole and healed state. For the soul, for the body, for the teams, you, Soul Rider, your body, your teams, all returning those fragments back to their right and perfect place along with appropriate energetic information and appropriate responsibility. And you just stay in that mantra until you feel an energetic shift. But you're being very aware that you are using your energetic fields, not your mind, to do the work. So that's why we always want to get a little spacey when we're doing the work. And we're just holding space for our energetic self to return or retrieve. We're holding the focal point of the mind, but the mind is not doing the work. We're just using the mind to hold the focal point for the energetic fields to do the work in an appropriate dimension where we actually can. And then breathe, balance, and stabilize. Update your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. How safety. Pause. Breathe. Allow for integration. You have been listening to the Cups of Consciousness show with me, Aleya Dow. Receive a free month of the Cups of Consciousness. Go to 7cupsofconsciousness.com. When you get your free month, you will get 5 cups a week for 4 weeks. You'll also receive access to a live Tall Cup of Consciousness session. Feel free to review the show. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Aho.